The sunflower constellation was a quiet, peaceful commune until one day, the cat people from outer space attacked. The cat people kidnapped Lavender Grassstains, and now her brother Juniper will stop at nothing to get her back.
Those vile cat people stole my sister, but we shall avenge her! Avenge her!
But Juniper! What if it's in the stars? What if it's meant to be? We can't fight back! Violence is not the answer!
Yes it is! Cover your eyes, Capricorn, this won't be pretty!
3 unlikely heroes, Saffron, Capricorn, and Juniper Grassstains, take on the cat people from outer space. More violent than Vietnam.
It's okay, brother! We forgive you for what you've done!
Ouch!
I told you, Juniper! It was in the stars!
This isn't the age of Aquarius. This is the age of kicking ass. Will Juniper save his sister? Will the cat people go back to where they came from? Find out in the new sci-fi epic from visionary director Perry Saw Butts. The cat people from outer space.
I'm still coming for you, Lavender! Never forget! Never!
Playing soon at this theater only.